Some words are never meant to be heard. These are the final, recorded moments of flights gone tragically wrong. The chilling last words captured on black box recorders before impact. Before we begin, be warned, this video contains real transcripts from real disasters. If you're drawn to true horror and the eerie calm before chaos, you're in the right place. And hey, if this gave you chills already, consider subscribing to Ghost Milk. I drop weekly deep dives into the scariest true events ever recorded. Alright, buckle up. Here's number 5. Number 5, Ma, I Love Ya. Pacific Southwest Airlines Flight 182, 1978. On September 25, 1978, PSA Flight 182 was approaching San Diego when it collided mid-air with a smaller Cessna. The cockpit was chaotic. Confusion. Alarms. Then came the voice of one of the crew.
This is it, baby. Break this up. I love you.
The plane nosedived into a quiet San Diego neighborhood, killing all 144 people on board, and 7 more on the ground. In the face of death, the last instinct was to say goodbye to Mom. Number 4, I Rely on God. EgyptAir Flight 990, 1999. This one still sparks debate. EgyptAir Flight 990 had just left New York bound for Cairo when something strange happened. The first officer, alone in the cockpit, was recorded saying, "I rely on God. I rely on God." He repeated it again and again as the plane entered a steep dive.
Get
217 people perished. Was it mechanical failure? Was it intentional? Investigations from the US and Egypt reached very different conclusions. The words remain haunting either way. Number 3, we don't have control of the plane. At all. Air France Flight 447, 2009. Air France 447 disappeared from radar mid-flight between Rio de Janeiro and Paris. The Airbus A330 flew into a thunderstorm, and ice crystals caused the airspeed sensors to fail. The pilots didn't realize what was happening. Autopilot disengaged. Panic spread. Passengers heard the captain say this on the intercom.
Je sais pas ce qui se passe. Où le contrôle de l'avion? On a totalement perdu le contrôle de l'avion, on comprend rien, on a tout tenté. Alors tiens, prends ça. Prends ça. Le problème c'est que j'ai pris de l'avion.
Pull up. Sink rate. Pull up.
Allez, tire.
Pull up.
Allez, on tire. On tire, on tire,
Pull
on tire.
Pull up.
On va taper.
Pull up.
Mais c'est pas vrai.
Pull up.
Ah, mais qu'est-ce qui se passe? 10 degrés d'assiette.
Moments later, it plummeted into the ocean. All 228 passengers and crew were lost. It took 2 years to recover the black box from the ocean floor. Number 2, United Airlines Flight 93, 2001. Shanksville, Pennsylvania. In the aftermath of the 9/11 attacks, United Airlines Flight 93 became a symbol of bravery. Hijacked mid-flight, passengers learned about the other attacks via phone calls and quickly realized what was about to happen. They stormed the cockpit in an attempt to retake control of the plane. The aircraft ultimately crashed in a field in Pennsylvania. This moment, raw, defiant, and heartbreaking, became one of the most haunting audio clips in aviation history. Speech balloon, what would you do in your final moments? Let us know in the comments. Number 1, I'm the problem. Pacific Southwest Airlines Flight 1771, 1987. Near Cayucas, California. This terrifying crash wasn't caused by mechanical failure or weather. It was a cold-blooded act of revenge. A recently fired employee of the airline boarded the flight with a concealed revolver and killed both pilots mid-air. The cockpit voice recorder captured this chilling sequence. Seconds later, the aircraft crashed at full speed into a hillside, killing all 43 people aboard. These weren't fictional. These were real people. Real lives. Real last words. Which one of these shook you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if this kind of content haunts your curiosity, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you don't miss the next dive into real-life horror. Until next time, fly safe.